Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Full Tilt Productions. So check it out. Today we're going to be doing a little test. A test with our DJI Mavic Air 2 with live streaming. And there's plenty of channels out there that are doing this. However, I'm trying to do this remote. I want to just let you know right now that this is going to be kind of broken up and it might be kind of a hack job of an edit. But with that being said, this is like my computer is about 17 miles away right now, shut in clamshell mode. And I want to see if that link is still going to work. The RTMP link is still going to work to stream from the drone straight to the YouTube channel.
Altitude zone reached.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Check. All right. So hopefully I got this set up correctly and I'm live streaming now. Yeah, usually by now the live stream would have already ended on my screen itself. I'm screen recording right now, so eventually I'm going to take this live stream down and turn it into a full-on video. There's a little bit of funny commentary, but in the meantime, let's see.
Take off.
Hey.
The home point has been updated.
There we go. We got
Please
takeoff.
check it on the map.
So bear with me a second. I'm going to take advantage of what we got here. And yeah, some cinematic movements. Gimbal down while I'm coming up. That's always pretty. And now, what I like to do sometimes, I'll put it in a sport mode and go straight ahead. Just like that, right? That's always a cool little shot. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up a little bit. And here's another cool little shot. If I rotate this way, right, at the same time of moving to the right, what that does is gives you a parallax. I just swapped over to tripod mode. I don't know how long I have on this. So tripod mode, go that way. Bam. And so you get like this little parallax feature, right? That looks actually better. For the horizon, you know what I'm saying? I always try to keep that in the lower thirds. But anyways, so I'm keeping an eye on the drone. I want to go ahead and move forward, right? I want to get this done as fast as possible. This is always nice too if you get a nice little flyover. But anyways, I'm going to elevate up a little bit, which that's fine. So I actually need to, there we go. I'm actually going to come back a little bit. All right, so as you can see there, that didn't quite work out the way we were hoping. Now, I think I got everything figured out as far as, excuse me. Anyways, I think I got everything figured out now. User error. Again, computer's back at the house, and so we're back at the same spot over here, and let me flip it around. Fisherman's Village. Good times. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the same spot, do the same thing, lift off and all that good jazz, and hopefully it'll work out just fine. Stay with me. Check this out real quick. How's that for a photo op? See that sailboat? The background. Let's go there. That's a cool shot, right? Probably way better vertical. And then just frame it, bam. Yeah. Anyway, that'd be nice for a sunset. So anyways, yeah, so now I'm trying to screen record real quick. I already added that picture right there that you see, which is nice. Now, all I'm going to do is run that parallax. You see what I'm saying? I'm going to go over. Right? It really helps if you put it in a tripod like that. Add that other picture. And keep the parallax going. Now you can elevate a little bit. Like that. I'm going to add another one. Over. A little bit like that. There's that one. Camera rotation and angle is nice. And then come up a little bit more with more rotation, right? Because we know that's going to look super sweet. I'm just trying to keep that in frame, hit 25. And so I'm just going to call it good with that. Now, hit those little buttons right there, save. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and save that so I can use that again at a different time. And now, so that's all set. Normal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit reverse. Length is 6 seconds. That's fine.
The aircraft is heading to the first waypoint.
There you go. And now it says 4 minutes and 53 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and let this speed up, not talk. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. 5 minutes of you guys seeing Fisherman's Village. And evidently the live stream is working. I'm not at my house. The computer is literally freaking 18 miles away right now, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is one of the services that Full Tilt Productions is going to provide, where I could give you a private link, and what that does is let you and me only be the ones that can see this, or whatever live stream capabilities there are. Now, my buddy Josh Leathers, he's a teacher, and originally what I wanted to set this up for is to teach his class on how to
fly
go ahead
cautiously
and do different stuff. So yeah.
Unfortunately, I don't have another phone handy. That would be ideal, because if I did, what we could do is we could, like, I'd be able to see in the live stream, like the live stream chat, which that'd be cool. Like, I feel like that'd be super cool if I could see the live stream chat and, like, actually communicate with you, like if someone next to me, like a visual observer, if my visual observer was with me now, then we could be doing it like that. But anyways, I got 3 minutes and 7 seconds left. The more people I can teach how to do this, the bigger the industry gets, and so it's better for everybody. But here we are, the drone's coming back, and we're finishing up 30 seconds roughly of more hyperlapse photos.
I don't know how entertaining it's going to be in broad daylight. I do have
shooting
a
is
Pro
nearing
ND,
completion.
Filter on the drone right now to help with the motion blur and to cut down. It's like sunglasses for your camera, which is really nice. So we're just bringing it back now, roughly around 15 seconds. Nice and slowly but surely, right? Don't need to keep it up in the air much longer. But anyways, guys, that was fun. That was really fun. That's going to open up a whole brand new world for the channel, Full Tilt Productions. I know you guys are used to it being like, hi, Will Beck here, and blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, I started a business, and so it is what it is, man. So everything's a funnel. We'll get back to that at some point. The sun's wicked bright, so I'm going to cut this video short.